This video is going to instruct you on how to do a blind contour drawing of your hand. So when you're doing a blind contour of your hand, the goal is that you are looking at your hand and only your hand and the lines that go all the way around your hand, as well as the tiny little creases and details of your hand. But the trick is that you can't look at your paper while you're doing this. So when I'm going to go ahead and do my blind contour drawing, I'm going to put my hand in sort of a C position. Make sure whatever hand position you put your hand in is appropriate for the school setting. If you really want to challenge yourself, put your hand so that you have some foreshortening going on where your fingers are coming straight out at you. If we didn't have a chance to play with that a little bit yesterday with the plastic, we will go ahead and do that tomorrow. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and start by only looking at my hand. I'm not looking at my paper at all, or my pencil. Because you can't look at your paper, it can be really tricky when it comes to adding some details because you can't lift your pencil off the paper. So you have to make sure that you are keeping your pencil connected to the paper surface. So here I go, I'm all the way down to my fingernail on my pointer finger. I'm going to come back around and kind of do the fingertip there, and I'm going to go up and do a crease. I've got a couple little creases here in my finger. You want to do this slowly with, careful intention. I'm going to go back up and do my middle finger here. It's partially hidden by my pointer finger. And then I'm going to skip down here to my other fingers kind of below that one. Try to go slow and move your eye and your pencil at the exact same pace at the same time. When you're done with all of your fingers, I still have a thumb to go here. You should have something that looks pretty ridiculous. A lot of artists use this as a technique for them to get warmed up before they start working, because it's a good way to connect your brain and your eye and your hand all together. That's not terrible. You may want to label that in your sketchbook as a blind contour drawing. Practice a few of those in a couple different hand positions and see what you wind up with.